Hi, I'm Peter Kearney from My Food Garden. Walking into a food garden each morning to harvest or afternoon to harvest your own food is a great experience for your own health and well-being. But it takes time to be successful at growing your own vegetables, herbs and fruit trees and native plants. There's so many things that can grow in the Australian climate. So how do you get to that point where you can sustainably improve your soil each year, know what to work with in the seasons, make your compost and create a great balance of life in your space? Our mentoring service is designed to help with that pathway. I've had many years of experience in growing food organically and biodynamically, and also in designing food growing spaces, mentoring people and teaching people. So I have a lot of experience in knowing the right steps and the potholes to avoid. And there are quite a few in growing your own food. It's like anything, something that takes a long time to get right, but with the right knowledge at the right time, the learning process can be accelerated significantly. So our mentoring service starts with a plan. So I get to understand your space and your goals and your life situation, how much time you have and where you are already on your gardening journey. And I design a plan for you that takes you over a 12-month period, and I stay with you with further visits. Our mentoring can be delivered Australia-wide over video Skype or in Brisbane face-to-face. So if you want to get a productive, healthy and beautiful food garden underway and feel confident that you know the right rhythms of activity that you can put into the garden for your own benefit and for your family, give us a call. You'll see our phone number on our website at myfoodgarden.com.au or send us an email. Thank you.